Assalamu alaikum my friends. Today we are making salmon with a Norwegian butter sauce. This is one amazing sauce. It's so delicious, beautiful, versatile, and it's basically 5 ingredients. You will need 1 cup of parsley, half a cup of coriander, 1/4 cup of cream, 1/3 cup of low-fat milk, 50 gram or less of cold butter cut into cubes, and the juice of 1.5 lemons. Squeeze the lemon into a saucepan on medium heat. Pour in the lemon juice. Keep on stirring until it reduces and thickens. This will only take a couple of minutes. Until it looks like this. Now pour the 1/4 cup of cream, 1/3 of a cup of low-fat milk. Keep on stirring until it reduces and thickens. To know that you have reached the right texture for the cream, do the spoon test. Coat the spoon with the mixture on the back of the spoon, swap your finger, and if it comes out clean, you know that your cream is ready. Now reduce the heat to low and toss in 2 to 3 butter cubes at a time. When the butter starts to blend, add another 2 to 3 cubes of butter until we finish all the butter. We don't want the sauce to cool down too quickly. That's why we don't dump all the butter in. So by doing that, you secure that the butter won't separate from the cream, and the mixture will look like this, beautiful and velvety. Finally, put the chopped parsley and coriander. You can also use dill if you like. You could use only dill or only coriander or only parsley or mix. It's all up to you. It will taste good as well. Keep the sauce warm on the stove while you prepare the salmon. We don't want the sauce to cool down and you reheat it, for more likely the butter will separate. Now it's time to season the sauce. Ideally they use white pepper, but for me I use white pepper and also cayenne pepper for that little kick. Also add salt to taste. For the salmon, we will season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper. On a pan, put olive oil. Place the seasoned salmon side down and then season the other side, also with salt and black pepper. For the cooking time for the salmon, it depends on how thick your fillet is. The best way to ensure that you did not overcook your salmon or undercook is to cook each side for 5 minutes or less, depending. Then do the spring test by pressing down on the salmon, and if it feels bouncy, then it's perfect. It's not overcooked or undercooked, and it's ready to be served. To be honest, I haven't cooked salmon in a long time. For every time I go out to a restaurant and I eat the salmon, I really don't like the taste of it. The taste of the fishiness of the salmon is overpowering. But when I tried out this recipe, the salmon tastes great. It tastes so velvety and it's amazing. And with this sauce, it just complements it completely. I highly recommend you guys do this sauce because it does not only work great with salmon, it works great with lobster and also shrimp and any other kind of fish. It's very versatile. I hope you like it and enjoy. هذا الصوص من أروع أنواع الصوصات اللي تقدر تحطوها مع أي أكلات بحرية، وبالذات مع الاستكوزا ولا الجمبري، حتى أي أنواع الأسماك. جدا رائع. أنصحكم أنكم تسووها وإن شاء الله تعجبكم، وبالهنا والشفا.